In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pin an Excel file for quick access, whether you're using Excel itself or navigating through Windows. This is a helpful way to streamline your workflow, ensuring that your most needed Excel files are just a click away. Let's start with pinning your file directly within Excel. This feature is particularly useful if you often find yourself working with certain files and want them easily accessible every time you open the application. Begin by launching Excel and navigating to the File menu. Once there, click on Open, followed by selecting Recent. This list displays all the files you've recently worked on, which makes it easy to find your document. Glide your mouse over the file you wish to pin, and you'll notice a star icon appearing on the right side. Simply click on this star icon to pin the file, and voila! Your chosen file will now be featured prominently at the top of your recent list under the Pinned section. Not only does this save you time searching, but it also keeps your frequently used files organized and at your fingertips. Now, let's turn our attention to pinning Excel files to the Windows taskbar, capitalizing on the convenience of the Windows jump list. If Excel is not already pinned to your taskbar, you might want to do that first. Having Excel directly accessible from the taskbar means fewer clicks and faster access. Start by opening the Excel file you'd like quick access to. This will automatically add it to Excel's recent list within Windows. Once this is done, right-click the Excel icon that now appears on your taskbar. This action will bring up a jump list, a handy feature that allows you to see recent files without entering the program. As you hover your mouse over the file you want to pin within this list, a pin icon will appear to its right. Clicking this pin icon will secure the file permanently to your list, granting you the luxury of accessing your essential spreadsheets without hunting through folders or shortcuts. With both these methods, you're ensuring that your most important workbooks are never more than a click away, enhancing efficiency and reducing friction in your daily tasks. By taking advantage of these pinning strategies in Excel and Windows, you're setting yourself up for a smoother and more productive user experience. Whether you work on Excel frequently or only on occasion, having quick access to your files is undeniably a time saver. Thank you for watching, and I hope you find these tips as useful in keeping your workflow efficient and uncluttered as I do.